Okay, so here's the old fan. This used to be white, yellow now, so it's kind of old. So this one fantastic fan. This fan was working okay, but this thing broke. This is the automatic where it opens and closes. So I think it was time to replace it. So let's go put the new one on. I have to take this piece, and you can see how much. This is how much. I guess I'm gonna have to cut that much off. But I'm gonna go check just to make sure to see what I gotta cut off the new one. And there's 2 wires hook up. That's not a big deal. And cut this, and there's 4 screws. Let's go do it. Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm working on the RV, the 1976 GMC Motorhome, and we're going to replace one of the old fantastic fans with this MaxxFan Deluxe. It's got a this lid here that goes up and down with when the fan turns on. So it goes up and comes down. And it's just a nice, sleek little design. I'm going to open the box up and see what it looks like. And here's my stuff. Instructions how it works. Okay. Yep. Alright. Got some screws, some connectors, the instructions, and has a remote. And the fan. That's it. That's everything. We got the white lid. Everything else on the roof of the motorhome is white, so I figured let's go with that. So I already took this 4 screws that hold that trim on the inside. I already took that off. So now, fortunately, I just siliconed this recently because it was leaking. And after I siliconed it, it was still leaking. So whatever. Okay, all the screws are out. It should come right off, right? Let's see. It's stuck over here somewhere. Okay. Oh, the wires. Wire cutters. Cut this all off. Alright. There's wires. So I got a drill with a wire wheel on it. Okay, I got some denatured alcohol. It's just what I had sitting around. Just gonna wipe this. Tape all the way around. I don't know if you have to do this, but let's see. Oh, it seems like it's there. All right, now screws. Alright, so now you just screw these down. You don't want to smush the butyl too much, just where it's coming out a little bit. Alright. Now, got this lap sealant, self-leveling sealant, white. So now this stuff, take this and I put some on each screw head. Now I go and fill in the space here. Here. Alright, all that's left to do is the inside piece and hook up the wires. Alright, so now we're on the inside of the motorhome. Light's probably pretty bad here, sorry. But you have these two wires. There's little tags on them, positive, and I guess white is negative. And we have two old wires. So the white is negative and black's positive. So I'm going to sneak these around this way. Alright, so it goes inside there, so I can't use it. See, there's a little slot right there. Cut it right about here. Wire strippers. This whole. I'll plug this in. Well, look at that, something happens. So, let's see here. Open, oh, on. Okay, so there's a big space, big gap. Let's see what the gap is. About 2 3/4. A marker, mark. All right, let me go cut this shroud. All right, I'm back, I cut it. I just used scissors and I just cut it. And then I took a razor blade and just went around the edges just to get any burrs or anything off of it. So now I need to, oops, okay, 4 screws. let me go get the remote to see how it works. Okay, well here it is. Here's the fan installed. You have some little options here with buttons. You have on, off, and out. Hold to set to 78, I guess, and then open and close. This opens the top. Or you have your remote here that you can use. So if I want to turn it on, let's see if I can get both in the picture here. So I turn it on. It's infrared, so you have to be shooting at the fan. All right, so the fan's on. It's sucking air out. So it says here, air out. I haven't mounted it. You can mount it on the wall. I haven't done that yet. So this button here, this reverse one, will make it go air in. So it's stopped and it should spin around the other way. Now it should give me a nice breeze. Yep. So now it's giving a breeze. And you have your speed. Right now it's 100%. And then hit this down arrow, lower. You can set it however speed you want. I think you can even close the top. Yeah, the top's closed. And it's still going. I don't feel that much of a breeze now. Let's open the top. See if things spin back up. Yeah, now I'm getting some cool air. Let's crank it back up to 100%. Alright, 100%. And then there's a temperature sensor. You can set the temperature, so I want it to be, so right now room temp is what, 75? So I can set it to go, you know, whatever I want by hitting the up and down. So that's pretty neat. We just need to put this somewhere on a wall somewhere. Right now it's sitting in a drawer. Let's have it shoved in this drawer right here. So that's that. I'm gonna turn it off. When you turn it off, the lid comes down and it shuts off. And that's it. So that's that. Alright, well, thanks for watching the fan install, the MaxxFan install. I appreciate it. If you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. If you want to see more of this stuff, I'll continue to keep doing it. Thanks very much, and I'll see you on the next one.